Helge dör och hindrar. Ullr. Ullr. God of the hunt. Ancient god of the mountains, of the winter, and of all things primal. We invite you here that we may offer you blot, that we may give you sacrifice in hopes to secure your blessings at this time of year when we enter into the hunt and into the pre-winter months in preparation for the dark, cold nights that are ahead. Hail Ullr.
Hail Ullr.
Ullr, we ask that you bless this mead. You bless this offering that we give to you, brewed here at Italy, named for your own home among the yew dales. We ask that you bless this so that we may take those blessings internally and externally, that we may live on as your folk, that we may carry those things that are dear to you within us as we move through this next phase of the year and this next phase of our lives. Hail. Strength. We hope that you accept this offering and you infuse it with your gifts, with your strength, your duty, your cunning, and all those things that make you only second to Odin in the pantheon and in the importance of gods and high gods and old gods. Hail. Hail.
Ullr. This is the time of the hunt again. It took me over 30 years to appreciate going out and being in nature and listening for game and looking for game. It's something I look forward to every year. And even though I haven't taken an animal in a couple of years now, I still find myself excited, and I am certainly not discouraged going into the season. And if I am lucky enough to be presented with an animal this year, my goal is to steady my breathing, calm my mind, and do whatever is necessary to make a nice, clean, efficient kill and give honor to that animal. I look forward to hunting with you again this season. Hail Ullr.
Hail Ullr.
Ullr. I've been a hunter since I was a kid. I've killed dozens and dozens of animals, and it never becomes just simple procedure. It's always an event. It's always celebrated. The animal is always treasured and honored for the sacrifice that it made to feed us. We had venison last night. We had venison for snacks today. We had this venison because an animal died so that we could be fed. And now we're heading into the season where we get to start that whole process all over again. We get to enter into their world. We get to suffer, calm our minds, and then, all things being lucky, harvest another animal. We don't take that lightly. We don't take that kill as a big celebratory event. It's not about horns, and it's not about trophies. It's about meat. It's about honoring our ancestors by feeding our families the same way that they did. So in that, I ask for your help and your guidance, your strength, your skills, and that you give Overwatch and ethically make sure that I stay on point. And if I start to sway, that you correct me or send me little notifications that say, get it together. But that is all I need. That's what I appreciate. So, hail Ullr.
Hail Ullr.
Hail Ullr.
Now we have some other work. Ullr, I ask that you bless these weapons of the hunt, as their quarry will be used to feed our families, our kindred, and ourselves. That our arrows fly true, that we down our game quickly and efficiently, that there is no suffering, and we will in turn honor them by using as much of them as possible and by treating their meat as sacred as it is. These weapons are much the same as yours. It's a string and a dart. All the technical stuff that's on it is just the product of the time, but they're exactly the same as what you used to hunt with, a string and a dart. May you bless our hunt, may you bless our weapons, may you bless our adventures. Hail Ullr.
Hail Ullr.
Is there any other work?
Yes. I actually have a new ritual cup that I would like to get blessed.
Awesome. A ritual cup.
Yes.
In the name of Ullr and all the Norse gods, may this cup carry with it the luck and all the energy of our kindred bowl, that it be used for ritual to honor the gods, the whites, our ancestors, and any other supernatural creatures who we deem worthy.
Yes. Hail.
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 Is there any other work? No? Ullr, we thank you so much for joining us. We hope that you hang around through these dark winter nights. Nowhere is it more easily illustrated than in the northern latitudes, where our days get shorter and our nights get longer and the air gets colder and snow blankets everything, and it turns into this beautiful other world. It's so different from where we're at right now. We're only a couple of months away from that entire change happening. We hope that you come to us often, that you hang out, and we also ask that if you want to hang out for feast and enjoy some good food with us, partially because of your contribution to our lives, then we certainly encourage you to do so. And on your way home, you inform all the other supernatural creatures, gods, whites, Disa, ancestors that you come across, that there are still good folk here in Midgard that honor the old ways, honor the old gods, honor our ancestors, and try to live a life as close to the earth and as close to our creation as we can. Hail Ullr.
Hail.
Hail Ullr.
This bloat has ended. Bring it in, no hide now. Oh, bait him in the middle, bait him in the middle. Oh,
They did not like that.
They did not like that. They did not like the end up.